breakthrough in a new study. Experts say they found a treatment for pancreatic cancer that could double patients' survival rates. And it may be a weapon against other cancers, too. Here's Erica Edwards.
Debbie Orcutt is beating the odds thanks to these 3 pills she takes daily. An experimental drug for a dire diagnosis, stage 4 pancreatic cancer, after chemo stopped working.
You know, I knew my diagnosis was bad, so what have I got to lose?
More than a year later, Orcutt's cancer has stopped growing, instead shrinking by 80%. Unprecedented success for a cancer that often kills within months.
Hi, Dr. Wolpin.
Dana-Farber Cancer Institute's Dr. Brian Wolpin led studies for the drug called draxonrasib.
I think this is the breakthrough we've been waiting for.
This is the breakthrough you've been waiting for all these years.
Yes.
A new study out today finding it doubled survival rates. Among 500 patients who'd already gone through chemotherapy, those who got a second chemo drug lived on average 6.7 months, compared to more than 13 months for patients who received draxonrasib instead.
This is a new medicine that blocks a really critical part of how pancreatic cancer grows.
It targets a gene called KRAS that works like an on-off switch, controlling how cells grow in the body. In more than 90% of pancreatic cancers, that gene mutates, causing the switch to get stuck in the on position, making cancer cells grow out of control. Draxonrasib blocks the mutation, stopping it from doing more damage. The side effects, researchers say, not as toxic as chemotherapy. Some patients can get mouth sores and a blistering rash. Clinical trial participant and former Nebraska Senator Ben Sasse telling a New York Times podcast in April that it's
nuclear.
Yeah, okay.
Like
burning, bubbling.
Yeah.
It's already fast-tracked for FDA approval, now being studied to see if it can work as well for other tumors. The mutation it targets is also a key driver in lung, colon, ovarian, and endometrial cancers.
Now